This is the road in front of our hotel from last night. In the venue here at National Trails, I have to say,
we're not parked yet.
Yeah, we aren't parked yet, but I was pretty nervous because this is a relatively small venue, so we were thinking it's going to be a long road in, but it is 2:30, so we're a little bit, actually that's not as late as we've been to some of them, but we're a little bit later than normal, but yeah, looks good. Now we're going to check out some cars. These guys are driving these things on the whole tour. It's freaking incredible. My favorite parts of Power Tour, when we first got here, this young man came up, he said, I really like your car and your bikes. He gave me this bracelet that says Hot Rod Power Tour, which I thought was awesome, and I said, you can sit on it if you want, and he was like, really? So his mom came over and took a picture, and he was beaming. That was super awesome. And then a few minutes later, father came up and he said, I just want you to know my daughter loves your car. And I said, she could sit in it. She was all nervous and stuff, but I think that that's the coolest thing ever. And I remember when I was a kid, people would be like, yeah, go ahead, sit in the car, and I just thought that that was the coolest thing. It's funny for me because that's just, like, I drive that car every day to work and stuff. It's nothing special, so I think it's neat that other people think it's cool, and if I can share it with somebody, then of course I'm going to. This hobby is so much fun, and these events bring out the best in people, I think.
It's time to make a change. I'm gonna move away and change my name. I said the world's in a tangle. What's going on? I'm going to a foreign land, make it my home. You can be having a good day, as jolly as you can be. I bet you'll get the blues when you turn on the TV, 'cause the world's in a tangle. Oh, what's going on? I'm going to a foreign land and make it my home. Let me hear that mandolin a while. Some promise us peace while we're living, but we have to get it when we die. The world's in a tangle.
That's actually the same carbon fiber we have on our
Oh,
ears.
what's going on? I'm gonna go to a foreign land, make it my home.
Cool. It's like
Mr. Banjo Man.
Really nice inside too. How cool is this? 4-door GTX, quote unquote. I love it. For sure, this one's on my list as one of my favorites of the day. Satellite in GTX trim with the air grabber, 70, and white walls, of course. Such a cool combo. The blue interior too, with blue bench seat. Must have been a factory blue car. It's killer. So he's telling me he bought quarter panels and basically use those to measure out where to put the door vent. It looks perfect.
Just cool. I like
I really like second gen El Caminos. Body lines are cool. This thing is mint too. Kingswood with AC from the factory. Holy moly. Luggage, the guitar on the roof, and the camper. This rules.
I like this as a good thing. Yeah, but this is like, it's not like that. You know it's yours, but it's not like.
Love this. Hornet wagon with the wood grain. I guess also known as a sportabout. I could deal with one of these too. That'd be a fun car to have. This is killer. D16 Y8 or Z6 in the, under the hood. What are the odds? There's two of them, same color too. This thing is mint.
Well, one of them's out in the street.
Wheels look killer.
Yeah.
I think this is my favorite body style of Camaro. Not a big Camaro guy, obviously, but these are cool. Yeah. That's cool. thing is wild. I think it's on an XJ chassis. Made near Detroit. Chambler. That's awesome. This thing is really subtle. It looks mellow, but if you look, it's got disc brakes. It has a 5-speed, which you can't tell from here, but a little 4-link hiding under there. Super cool car.